In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Bubble.io plugins. Let's dive right in, starting with the basics. First, you'll need to head over to Bubble.io. It's a robust no-code platform that allows you to build and customize apps without extensive coding knowledge. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in, and for ease, you can choose the Continue with Google option. This will streamline your access using your Google account credentials. Simply click on your Google account, and when prompted, select Continue to proceed. You'll now see a dashboard featuring your current projects. Go ahead and click on the project you want to work with. In this example, we'll choose a web app project. Now locate the Plugins section in the Bubble interface. Plugins are third-party components that extend the functionality of your app, and this is where you'll manage them. Click on Add Plugins to browse from a list. In the search bar, type in the name or category of the plugin you're interested in. For illustrative purposes, let's search for a video player plugin, which is quite useful for media-based applications. After finding your desired plugin, click on Install to add it to your project. With the plugin installed, you can click Exit to close the plugin marketplace and return to your project. Navigate back to the design page of your app. With the plugin now in your toolkit, start typing its name in the element search bar, for instance, Player Style Video, if that's what you installed. Click on it to add this element to your app's design. You can drag it around and position it wherever you deem fit within your app's layout. Now you can set up the plugin to fit your specific needs. For our video plugin, choose the media type you want it to display: a video file, a YouTube video, or another supported format. If you're using YouTube, for example, click on YouTube to specify the source. Then paste the YouTube ID of the video you wish to play. To find this ID, simply look at the last set of characters in the YouTube video URL. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Play to preview the page and ensure that your plugin functions as expected. This is your opportunity to test the integration and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and configured a plugin on Bubble.io, enhancing the capabilities of your app without writing a single line of code. Thanks for watching, and remember, the possibilities are endless with the right plugins at your disposal. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials on how to effectively use Bubble.io.